Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Grok high demand error in 2026 real quick and easy. So if your Grok app ain't working and showing that high demand error, don't stress, I got you. First thing you want to do is close the Grok app completely. Yeah, don't just minimize it, actually remove it from background apps. Once that's done, go ahead and reopen it and see if it works. If it's still acting up, chill for a minute. Sometimes the servers are just overloaded, so waiting a bit can fix it. Next, make sure your internet ain't trash. Check your connection and make sure it's stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Now let's move to the second method. Go to the search bar and type Grok. Hold on the Grok app and click on App Info. Then click Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data and hit Delete. Go back and tap on Permissions. Make sure everything is enabled, no missing permissions. After that, go back to your home screen. Open Play Store. Search Grok. Tap on it, and if there's an update, hit Update. Wait for it to install, then open the app again, and boom, it should be working fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes like this.